Hi, it's Dorothy. Welcome and thanks for joining me today. I invite you to get as comfortable as possible, resting long on your back or seated tall. Close your eyes and begin to observe just a couple rounds of breath effortlessly moving without any control. Then kindly witness how you feel today, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Start to take ownership over your breath by breathing through your nostrils. With each breath, gradually take longer, deeper, and smoother breaths through your nose. Without purposely pausing, just notice that there is a subtle, natural pause that exists at the top of your inhale and the bottom of your exhale. Without pausing, just observe that there is this subtle, natural pause at the top of the breath and the bottom of the breath. Continue to observe this natural pause, or if you'd like, you can move onward and start to intentionally hang around in the pause at the top of your inhale and the bottom of your exhale for around 2 to 5 seconds. Consciously lingering in that space at the top of the inhale for a few seconds and the bottom of your exhale for a few seconds. Continue to consciously experience the pause. And as you pause, notice its effect on your mind and body. Take this next minute to focus on the pause. When I experience the pause, I am connected and fully focused in the present moment. Please remain still with your eyes closed. Let go of observing the pause and breathe naturally. Observe any effects of this practice. Maybe some shifts have happened for you in your mind, body, emotions. So this is a sneaky, effective breath practice that you can use to trick yourself into slowing down your breath, which in results quiets the mind and calms the body down, which enables us to fully focus, concentrate, and be present. I really hope you enjoyed hanging out with me in that mysterious, subtle space that exists between the breath. Take as much time as you need to come out of meditation. Let the light back into your eyes. When I experience the pause, I'm connected and fully focused in the present moment. Until next time, have a wonderful rest of your day.